The three pillars of Oracle Cloud Computing are software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS are all cloud computing models, but they serve different purposes and target. Each model differs in users with varying levels of control, flexibility, maintenance, and management responsibilities. Each play a crucial but distinct role in modern business operations. Oracle SaaS Cloud model delivers software applications over the Internet. The client need to get subscription in order to us. On the other hand, Oracle Support Teams manages updates and maintenance. In SaaS Cloud model, client can integrate other applications. Page customization is not allowed. In Platform as a Service, PaaS is a cloud computing service model that is like a playground for developers. It provides a comprehensive environment where developers can build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure, such as hardware, operating systems, networking, and storage. Page customization are allowed. Infrastructure as a Service is a cloud computing model that provides virtualized computing resources over the Internet, also known as a hosted environment. IaaS is a comprehensive solution that bridges the gap between PaaS and SaaS. Many customers subscribe to this model and create an IaaS application and have full control on maintenance and upgrades and page customization.